Hi all viewers, I am Kanak and you are watching Ready Steady Eat. Today I am going to show you a very simple and versatile dish, that is Dal Fry. In a pan or a wok, heat the clarified butter or ghee and temper it with some cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds starts to crackle, add asafoetida and dry red chillies. Now stir it and add chopped onions. Fry on medium-high heat until the onion turns little pinkish in color. Add crushed garlic and ginger. Give it a toss for 1 minute and add green chilies to it and cook all well until they become light brown in color. To this, add the chopped tomatoes and cook for further few minutes until the tomatoes are little soft and tender. Now add salt, red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, little turmeric powder and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, adding little water to it to ensure that the mixture doesn't get burnt. Next, add the cooked dal and mix them well. You can boil it for around 10 to 15 minutes until you get the desired consistency. Now add the lemon juice and give it a nice toss. Now you can keep it on low flame for around 5 minutes until you get good dal consistency, and finally put some fresh coriander into it. Now take out the dal in a serving bowl and temper it with some more cumin seeds and red chilli powder. Now my lovely authentic Indian dal is ready. I am going to serve with some jeera rice or roti. I hope you like my dal fry recipe. Here I have used 2 different combinations of yellow dal. If you want, you can make it with one dal if you want. And you can keep on trying variations and combinations of different dals also. Do try it, let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. And also hit the like button and do subscribe to Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes.